I will say I am Honorable Cooking Preston, and today we are going to make Yakitori.
So, put down your cock and turn the oven on. It's cooking for yourself with Preston. That's me.
I will say welcome today to Cooking for Yourself with Preston. I am great and powerful Preston. Here today, my lovely booby assistant, Eleanore.
Hey, Preston! Thank you very much for the introduction. And to all you out there, konnichiwa.
Oh.
Hi.
Today we show you how to prepare our most delicious and traditional Japanese food of yakitori. We pray with sword, we drink a fine Japanese beer, and you write down how to do it proper, because if you fuck up, you shame your ancestor.
No! No.
For this recipe, you will need the following ingredients.
Here we have on display for your edification our ingredient that you need to make a yakitori chicken. So now we
Hi, before we make this yakitori chicken, I have one last ingredient that you might enjoy.
What? Sake booby time celebration. Ha.
Cut the chicken into uniform pieces measuring about 1 cubic inch. Chop your green onion into segments about 1 inch long. Soak your bamboo skewers in water for about 30 minutes to prevent burning. Layer your chicken and chopped onion onto the skewer, about 8 pieces of each, alternating between the two as you go.
We make good yakitori preparations, and now we cookaroo. Combine your wet ingredients along with your sugar.
Combine your wet ingredients along with the brown sugar and garlic.
And
stir over medium heat until the liquid has reduced by half.
now your sauce have reduced by half, and we are ready to grill your chicken. Oh, look, the food right there on the plate. We're ready to go. There you have it, Eleanore. We have honor our ancestor by make delicious chicken yakitori. We hope you at home is not a stupid asshole, and you can follow along and make yours as well.
This is the perfect meal to cook for your boyfriend or...
The time to talk has ended. There's only one thing left to do now.
Let's eat! Hiya!
Now that's more like it.